Need to know where your AirTalk Wireless application or order stands? Here's how. Visit airtalkwireless.com and log in using your account credentials or order number. Alternatively, use the AirTalk Wireless mobile app available on iOS and Android for real-time notifications and status updates. If you're a new user, you'll need to provide your application ID or the phone number associated with your order. Once logged in, you'll see statuses like pending review, approved, shipped, or delivered. Expect online applications with digital documents to be approved within 1 to 3 weeks. Shipping typically follows within 7 to 10 business days after approval, with free delivery via USPS or UPS. Approval depends on FCC rules, limiting one Lifeline benefit per household. Rejections usually stem from incomplete documentation or ineligibility, but you can appeal within 30 days. Shipping is free and includes a SIM card and activation instructions, but you must activate within 60 days. Be aware that backlogs can occur, especially in high-demand states like California and Texas, potentially extending processing times to 6 to 8 weeks. The AirTalk Wireless app provides tracking updates. Also, check for email or SMS updates regarding the status of your device shipping date.